morning, dear friend. In today's video, I will discuss the concept of median, how we have to calculate the median in the class of individual series. Median. Median is also known as the positional average. Again, median I will discuss for the three types of series. That is, one is the individual series. Second is the discrete series. Third is the continuous series. Today I will discuss the individual series. How we have to calculate the median in the case of individual series. Individual series के केस में हमने median कैसे निकालना है. इसके further I will divide two parts, like when number of terms are, number of items terms are odd. अगर तो हमारे पास टर्म्स ऑड होती है तब हमने मीडियन का फॉर्मूला लगाना, m फॉर मीडियन, दैट इज साइज ऑफ n प्लस 1 बाय 2 टूथ आइटम. n मीन्स नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, m मीन्स मीडियन. अब सेकेंड कैटेगरी बन जाती है हमारी व्हेन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आर इवन. इवन मीन्स लाइक 2, 4, 6, 8. तो उस केस में हमने मीडियन कैसे निकालना है, साइज ऑफ n बाय 2 आइटम टर्म प्लस साइज ऑफ n बाय 2 प्लस 1 term divided by 2. This will be the formula to calculate the median when the number of terms are even. Even के केस में हमने ये फॉर्मूला लगाना, साइज ऑफ n बाय 2th टर्म प्लस साइज ऑफ n बाय 2 प्लस 1th टर्म ओवर 2. एंड इन द केस ऑफ ऑड, ऑड मीन्स लाइक 1, 3, 5 एंड सो ऑन, उस केस में हमने मीडियन निकालने का ये फॉर्मूला लगाना है. Now I will discuss the illustration for the cases of when number of terms are odd and when number of terms are even. Illustration. First illustration, that is, statement is calculate median from the following values. Following values. Values are given 30, 45, 75, 65, 50, 52, 28, 40, 49, 35, 52. This is our values. So I have to calculate the median in this case. Firstly, I will see the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means n is 11. 11 means odd terms. हमारे पास odd term आ गई है, तो उसके लिए हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या लगेगा, m is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. odd के लिए हमारा ये फॉर्मूला होता है, जैसे मैंने पहले I have already discussed in the previous sheet. तो ये हो गया हमारा ऑड के लिए फॉर्मूला. तो बिफोर कैलकुलेटिंग द मीडियन आई हैव टू अरेंज द डाटा इन आइदर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सबसे पहले हमने डाटा को असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग में अरेंज करना होता है. तो आई विल फर्स्टली अरेंज द डाटा इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 28, then 30, 35, 40, 45, then 49, 50, 52. 52 is twice, that is 52, 52. 52, then 65, 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are the 11 terms and data is arranged in a ascending order. Now I will find out the median. That is, formula is size of n plus 1. N is, and small n, you can also write small n or capital N. That is the same thing. Here is 11 term, 11 plus 1 by 2th item. So you are getting size of 11 plus 1, 12, 12 by 2, that is sixth item. So I will check the sixth item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is sixth item is 49. So median is 49, or I can also write as this one, median is equal to 49. This is the way how we have to calculate the median in the case of when the number of terms are odd. Now I will discuss the illustration when the number of terms are even. Illustration number 2. Illustration second, that is calculate median from the following data, that is 96, 98, 75, 20, 102, 100, 94, 75. Now solution will be, firstly I will check out the number of terms. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is n is 8, or you can also write capital N is 8. Number of terms are even. So formula will be m is equal to size of n by 2th term plus size of n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Now, this will be our formula for the number of terms are even. जब हमारी even terms होती है तो उसके लिए ये formula लगेगा. Before finding out the median, firstly I will arrange again data in ascending order. 20 के बाद आ जाएगा 75. 75 is again twice, that is 75, 94, 96, 98, 100 and 102. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will find out the median, that is size of, and here is 8. 8 by 2th item plus size of n by 2, that is 8 by 2 plus 1 item divided by 2. That means 8 by 2 means क्या हो गया, 4th item, and 8 by 2 means 4, 4 plus 1, 5th item divided by 2. That is median is equal to 4th item is 94. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th item. This is the 5th item. That is 94 plus 96 divided by 2. Then median is 190 by 2. You are getting 95. This is the how we have to find the median in the case of individual series. The formula when number of terms are even, the formula is this one. But before calculating the median, we have to arrange the data in a ascending order. This is the first condition. Now I will explain the another illustration regarding how I have to calculate the median. Five students in a group of 15 failed in the examination. That means 15 student थे उस एग्जाम में अपीयर हुए, उसमें से 5 जो स्टूडेंट थे वो फेल हो गए. The 10 students who passed got the marks 9, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 7. Then find the median marks of all the students. Then solution will be, firstly, we will arrange the data in ascending order. There are 15 students. 15 means number of terms are odd. तो फॉर्मूला विल बी median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So firstly I will write out that firstly I will write the values of all the 15 students in ascending order. 5 students already उसने कहा कि failed है. That means अगर मैं arrange करूंगी तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. तो मार्क्स जब 5 स्टूडेंट्स के आई विल राइट हियर फेल फेल देन फेल फेल एंड फेल. इसका मतलब जो 10 स्टूडेंट्स है उनको आई विल अरेंज इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर 4 5 4 5. नेक्स्ट इज 6 देन अगेन 6 देन 7 देन अगेन 7 देन 8 देन अगेन 8 देन 9 9. Then median will be number of terms are 15. That is formula is 15 plus 1 by 2th item. That is median is 16 by 2. That is 8th item. Now I will check out the 8th item. 8th item is this is 6 7 और 8. That means 8th item is 6. So हमारा median कितना हो गया 6 हो गया. This is your answer. That means here the 5 students are fail. So I put here fail. Remaining 10 students I have arranged in a ascending order. After arranging the ascending order, I have calculated the median. Now, this is the next illustration. I will explain whenever there are 2 groups or 3 groups are given, how you have to check the median. That means a class of 16 boys and 16 girls were given common intelligence test, and the following marks are obtained. Boys marks is given 15, 35, 43, 46, 48, 48, then 49, 50, 55, 56, 60, 64, 71, 75, 80, 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now girls, marks of girls are given. That is 10, 30, 45, 52, 55, 58, 61, 61, 63, 69, 70, 72, then 74, 75, 75, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have to find out who is more intelligent. The solution is, that means number of terms are even. Boys भी even है और girls भी even है. 16 students है. तो I will use the formula. Firstly, find out the median marks for boys. Boys के लिए formula हमारा क्या लगेगा? Size of n by 2th term plus size of n by 2 plus 1 terms. Before calculating the median, firstly I have to arrange data in ascending order. तो पहले ही मैं देखते हूँ जो स्टेटमेंट में है, ऑलरेडी स्टेटमेंट में डाटा को वैल्यूज को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करा हुआ है. तो इसका मतलब हमें अरेंज करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. सिंपली हम लोग आंसर निकालेंगे. 16 मीन्स 16 by 2 plus 16 by 2, that is 16 by 2 plus 1 term divided by 2. तो 16/2 हमारे पास टर्म आ गई, 8th टर्म प्लस 9th टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय 2। अब देखो 8th टर्म बॉयज के केस में क्या, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 टर्म्स है हमारी 50 और 9th टर्म क्या है 55। इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, 50 प्लस 55 divided by 2, you are getting 52.5. This is the median marks of boys. Now I will calculate the median marks of girls. तो फॉर्मूला सेम हमारा लगेगा, मीडियन मार्क्स फॉर गर्ल्स, that is size of n by 2 terms plus size of n plus n over 2 plus 1 term. So simply I am just putting the values, that is 16 by 2th term plus 16 by 2 plus 1 term over 2. तो हमारे पास अगेन 8th plus 9th term आ गई डिवाइडेड बाय 2। 8th टर्म अब देखिए गर्ल्स के केस में क्या आ रही है, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 टर्म है 61 and 9 टर्म है 63। तो I will put here 61 plus 63 divided by 2, that is 124 by 2, that is 62. This is the median marks for girls, that is 62. And median marks for boys I have calculated 52.5. So girls are more intelligent because average of girls is more. So question is, find out who is more intelligent. So girls are more intelligent because median marks of girls are more as compared to the boys. This is the way. In this question already values are arranged in ascending order, so there is no need to arranging. Just I have to find out that the number of terms are even, so I have used this formula. Thank you so much dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.